Hi there! This time we're going to see all the ins and outs of the Operator app. Access the Operator app via direct link with the Gmail account you received the invite to. Now let's create an order. When a customer calls to book a service, fill in customer phone and name. The details autofill for regular clients. Customer notes, visible to operators only and logged for future reference. Then, select the service type, number of seats, specify order type, instant or pre-order. After that, add pickup address, drop-off, and intermediate stops using autocomplete. Fill out order notes with any data on the order you would like to submit to the drivers. Once all is done, tap Back to Order. You may select a driver manually if you wish to assign a specific driver for an order. Include additional options in extras. Set special cost parameters if needed. Now that the order is all set, click Confirm Order, and it is sent to AutoSearch. In case no driver is assigned manually, an order is dispatched as per Intelligent Queue algorithm, where all orders are distributed fairly between drivers. When the order is accepted, we can review driver details as well as order estimates, cost, minutes and kilometers on the ride, optimal route from A to B. You can share the link to the order with a third party to keep track of your trip. Just tap Copy Order Link. You can also copy order ID for reference. Once the customer is in the car, the driver swipes to start the ride and order status changes to On Trip. The status of every trip is stored in booking history. Estimated and actual order tracks are logged on the map. Option Manage allows you to update order details or cancel the order entirely. One may duplicate the order by tapping Duplicate button. Order List in Operator app lets one review instant jobs and pre-orders in all statuses. You can also create a custom filter and sort pre-orders as per the selected parameter. All processed orders are archived, but one can easily track them in Search by Order ID. You can get if from the orders report or trip summary, customer number or driver board or plate number. You may hide the order list to expand the main order screen for better visualization and management. To open the order list, tap Collapse. Tab Settings is available to full access operators only. Enable sound alerts for new orders from Customer app to track and manage the incoming orders from the Customer app more efficiently. If the toggle Search Addresses Only in the Operational Area is on, in pickup and drop-off fields, Google Autocomplete will only offer the list of addresses within the company's working zones. City Map feature shows the location of online drivers on the map, their status, available or busy, driver breakdown by service type. Driver search on City Map works by driver name, phone number, email, board number, plate number. Plus, the operator can send an email to a driver from the Operator app in case the email is added to the driver's profile. That's about it on the Operator app. See you in the next videos.